Hello, how you doing? We're air frying today, so we've got a nice salmon fillet, or fillet as we say in the UK. Really, really, really simple. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we're going to do something in the air fryer today. This is my air fryer. It's a Kenwood one. It's a 5.5 litre XXL one. I mean, there's all different ones, of course. This is the largest one that I could find. Now, as you know, obviously, if you've got your air fryer, you open it out, you've got the tray inside like that. What I like to do is get some of these guys, these aluminium or tin foil type takeaway containers, and I've got one that will fit just in there, just like that. We're going to cook in that today. What that does is keeps it nice and clean, and yeah, I just find it a bit better. Some of the models you get, you'll get a tray that can go inside that, as well as the detachable fryer thing there. So, like I say, yeah, I've got these silver foil or tin foil, aluminium foil things. I mean, obviously you can get these in different sizes because your air fryer is different, so you might need a smaller one than this. The reason I use them as well is they're good for kind of keeping the machine clean, you know, the fryer clean. I can just get this in, pop it out. As you can see, what I've done is I've put in sliced lemon on the bottom of that tray. Here we go, here's our fish. We're using this salmon today. The skin is on the back. It's about, I think it's about 300 grams. Salt and pepper. Beautiful. A nice glug of olive oil. Maybe that's about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Some butter you can put on the top, on the side. It won't make really any difference. I use that brand at the moment. It's really quite like this unsalted Yeo Valley Organic, rich and creamy. Yeah, British, seems all right. I'm using that right now. Half a lemon, gonna just squeeze that into the mix. And then for me, I'm gonna go with a little pinch of chili powder on there. You could use something else. You could put some parsley on this, some oregano. Entirely up to you what direction you want to go in. If you fancy a bit of garlic in there, chuck it in. So here's the tray of the air fryer. Like I say, this should just fit in nicely. I measured them out. It's beautiful. Right, that's going to go in the air fryer. Job done. So my one just starts at 180 and will automatically set for 15 minutes. I'm probably going to do this for 20 minutes though. Okay, so that was 15 minutes. I said I was going to do it for 20, but I'm not. 15 is brilliant. I'm going to just pull this out. I just had a look at it. It's really good. Yeah, that's 15 minutes. I thought I was going to do it for another 5 minutes, but no, that's done. So I'm really happy with that. It looks beautiful. And like I say, when you use these containers, it's retained the butter, the lemon and the butter, so we can get that on a plate and then I can pour from that. Otherwise it will go into the bottom of the machine. But yeah, really simple. So just put that on a plate, and like I say, we've now got a little sauce there. Beautiful stuff. So yeah, 180, 15 minutes. Fantastic. Okay, and there you go, really, really beautiful. I'll be doing a few more air fryer recipes. I've really neglected it. I started some time ago and then forgot about it, to be honest. But yeah, beautiful, simple, really, really delicious. Now, there's a thanks button below the text on the video. If you want to donate a bit of money so I can buy a Ferrari, that would be fantastic. I think it starts at like $2 and goes up and up. But yeah, anything that you fancy giving really does help the channel. I'll see you soon. Take care. Lots of love.